Good morning, everybody. April 11, 2024. Today is 321 days on the road, and today is our last day here in Colorado. Dude, we love this place. We went to all 4 national parks. We stayed at a couple state parks, hit up some breweries. Colorado, you have it all. Anyways, we're gonna head up north and we're gonna stay at Wyoming for one day. We have a harvest host there at a distillery. So let's go. Check it out, guys. We just made it to our 25th state. We made it to Wyoming. No. Scratch that. We're not counting this one because we're only here for one night. So we're still at 24. I gotta say, Wyoming, you guys did it right. You guys have a nice parking spot here for people that come through that want a picture of the sign. And also, it's a beautiful sign. Good job, Wyoming. Tonight, we are gonna be staying at the distillery right here. This is Bluffs Distillery. We're staying here because we're a part of a program called Harvest Host. Harvest Host lets you stay overnight at distilleries, wineries, farms, zoos, museums, all types of activities. Not a bad place to sleep. Let's go inside the distillery.
We only have one eye.
About a company out of Idaho.
I just took a tour and now I'm f***ed up.